Good evening, welcome all to my channel Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty price action clearly indicates profit booking visible at higher levels and bounce backs. Resistance placed at higher levels and Nifty futures slips to close below 20,000 marks to close at 19,972 zones. Nifty is at crucial juncture, supports placed at 19,900, 19,850 for now. Nifty resistance at 20,000 levels and 20,100 zones. Break below 19,850 would invite the bears in action, and only a close above 20,150 would delight the bulls. And Nifty range for now is 19,800 to 20,030 zones. Nifty price action clearly indicates weakness. 45,200, 45,300 remains strong support areas for now, and 45,800, 46,000 levels will remain strong resistance zones. For entire trading session, Bank Nifty saw profit booking at higher levels. Small cap and mid cap index also showing signs of tiredness and weakness. Advance decline ratio clearly indicates that declines outperforming the advances, which is also a cautious signs for now. That's all for now. Happy investing. Take care. See you in our next video. Thank you.